Belle from New Horizons Lifestyle. How are you? We've reached the end of school holidays for term 3 and all the kids are back at school today. I hope you have all had a really nice couple of weeks off with the family. For me, it's time for the kids to go back. We've had a great time, but they definitely need to get back into a life of structure, which I haven't been providing them over the last couple of weeks. I wanted to encourage you to think about the rest of the year. It's not going to be long, and before we know it, we're in Christmas and in New Year. We are at the last stretch of 2019, and before we blink, it's going to be 2020, which is absolutely crazy. So let's think about the fact that the next 3 months, we want to finish strong. And the way that we finish strong is we need to be organized, we need to be focused on that, and we need to be organized about it too. Now remember, the whole year you've probably been setting yourself up for a number of the events and activities that are going to take place in the next 3 months. So it's going to be hectic, and you need to be very organized and focused to get through it and enjoy it. Now, for many of us, we have end of year concerts, end of year presentations, whatever it is, it's a close of something, and there will be some kind of event to close that. So let's make that a really wonderful time and not stressful. So what I encourage you to do is grab your diaries out, spend 20 minutes, half an hour looking at the next 3 months and seriously getting organized. Put in the dates of all the things that need to happen. For me, I've got a ridiculous amount of stuff to do over the next 3 months, from our ballet concert, which I'm super excited about. I'm actually dancing in 3 dances: a contemporary dance, a point shoe dance, and a classical piece. Soraya's dancing in 6, and I have choreographed 6 for my students. So it's huge for me. This is a major milestone for me. And for the next 6 weeks, 5 weeks actually, we have a lot of work to get us all ready to be worthy of performing in front of an audience. So I could fall apart and go, oh gosh, this is so stressful, or I could really enjoy this next 5 weeks so that we are all at a place in the concert. Wow, they're big ducks. So that we are all at a place for the concert, for us to enjoy it and the audience to enjoy it too. You've probably got some end of year activities taking place. Maybe it's an end of an era for you even. Perhaps all of your kids are going to be out of preschool and entering school phase, or out of school phase and entering high school, or graduating. This is a momentous time for someone, for something significant has ended or is ending, and starting of something new. It really is a season of ending and beginning. So let's end this season well, so that we can enter the next season feeling as though we've really done this well. I hope that's encouraged you to enjoy the next 3 months, be focused, be clear, and have a great time. Now give me a call. I'd like to hear about what your plans are for the next 3 months. What are you looking forward to in the next 3 months? Let me know, and we'll talk to you soon.